Hello students, good morning to all. How are you all? Hope that all of you are doing very well. And this is Amit Tripathi, your maths teacher, and today we are going to study our exercise 4.2. Few questions have been left. Oh, let us see. Okay, we have to find the solutions. We have to find 4 solutions. Okay, let us make a table for the solution part. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now put y is equal to 0. When we will put y equal to 0, what happens? X is equal to 4 into 0, that is 0. Means when y is 0, x is also 0. This is the first solution, 0 comma 0. Let us put y is equal to 1. What happens? When y is equal to 1, x is equal to 4 into 1, we get 4. So that is 4 comma 1. Now put y is equal to 2. What happens? X is 4 times y, that is 8, that is 2, 8 comma 2. Now put y is equal to 3, and what we get? X is 4 into 3, that is 12. So that is 12 comma 3. This is the set of 4 solutions for this equation. Let us see question number 3rd. Okay, let us see question number 3rd. Check which of the following are solutions of equation x minus 2y equal to 4 and which are not. We have to find there are several solutions given, and we have to find their solution of the given equation or not. Let us see the question number, the solution given, that is 1. Okay, let us check out 0 comma 2. We have to find the value of LHS, left hand side. What is left hand side? That is x minus 2 1. Okay, now seeing this point, let us put x as 0 and y as 2. What we get? That is 0 minus 4, and it is minus 4. Now let us find out right hand side. What is right hand side? Right hand side is 4. Are both the same? No. Minus 4 is not equal to 4. So we can write left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So 0 comma 2 is not a solution. It will not be a solution. The process is same. Okay, let us find left hand side. It is x minus 2y. Again, what is x? Value of x is 2. And what is value of y? It is 0. Now it is 2 minus 2 into 0, that is 0. 2 minus 0, that is 2. And what is right hand side? Right hand side is 4. Both are not same. We can write left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So what is the point? 2 comma 0 is not a solution. It is not a solution. Again, let us see the 3rd point. What is the 3rd point? That is 4 comma 0. Okay, let us put on the left hand side of the equation the points. What we need to do? X minus 2y. Okay, let us put x as 4 and y as 0. It will be 4 minus 2 into 0, 0, it is 4. And what is right hand side? Right hand side is 4. Both are equal. We will write it as LHS equal to right hand side. So 4 comma 0 is our solution. Yes. Let us not. The 4th point is square root 2, 4 square root 2. Now putting the points in left hand side. What is the left hand side equation? X minus 2y. Okay. Put x as square root 2 and y as 2 into 4 square root 2. Now what it comes? square root 2 minus 2 into 4, that is 8 square root 2. Okay, square root 2 minus 8 square root 2, it is minus 7 square root 2. But the right hand side is 4. Both are not equal. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So we can write 2 comma 4 comma 2 square root 2 is not a solution. 1. Okay, now let us see the left hand side. What is the left hand side? Left hand side is x minus 2y. Put x as 1 and y as 1. Now what it comes? 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, and the right hand side is 4. Now we can see here left hand side is not equal to right hand side, so we can say 1 comma 1 is not a solution. So the solution, the given points are the solution if they satisfy the equation. If they do not satisfy, they are not the solution. This is the way. Now let us see question. Okay, let us see question number 4. That is, find the value of k if x is equal to 2, y equal to 1 is the solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to k. Now, as we have seen in the third question, that if the values satisfy the equation, then they are the solution, otherwise not. Okay, let us see the left hand side. The left hand side of the equation is 2x plus 3y. Now put the solution, that is 2 into x is 2 and y is 1. What it comes? 2 into 2, that is 4, and 3 into 1, that is 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. And what is right hand side? Right hand side is k. Okay, for we will write for 2 comma 1 to be a solution. For 2 comma 1 to be a solution, the left hand side should be equal to right hand side. What is left hand side? It is 7, and what is right hand side? It is k. So the value of k is 7. In this video we have done the exercise 4.2. We have covered all the questions. We will meet with the next exercise. Till then, take care. Goodbye.